Hey guys, I'm recently update my iOS 26.5. When I'm update my iOS, then not showing it to this option. So I'm provide a solution how can easily fix this. So let's get started. At first open your settings, press on general software update. As you can see, now I'm update my iOS 26.5. Open settings, press on Apple Intelligence and Siri. As you can see, now it's not showing it to enable option. You just need to change only two settings, then you can fix this problem. So in the first settings, showing it to language option. Press on, you must be select language to English United States. Okay, go back, and the second step, press on to general, scroll down, showing it to language and region. So you must be select your region to United States. Okay, so you just change two settings, then you get this option, usually turn on from here. Okay, and need to set up. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Hey Siri, play some music. Overall setup. Make sure to turn on, press side button for Siri. Now open this. So I hope you just follow this process, then you can fix this problem.